Well, this is certainly a curveball. Excuse me. Telegram set to build a crypto exchange in response to the FTX collapse. We're going to dive into it in this video. Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, everybody. My name's Zach, one of the content creators here, talking about all things crypto. And of course, we're all part of the CCX community. If you want to learn more about ClearCryptos, the DeFi company that's looking to change the game in a multitude of ways, all the links are down below in the description. Now, this month, a lot of things have shifted and changed due to the FTX fallout. Telegram, which is a very popular communication platform used by crypto investors and just people in crypto in general, is set to build a crypto exchange in response to FTX's collapse. Now, on the surface, you're like, wait a minute, what does this do? What does this mean? And I'm asking the same questions. I want to dive into it, though, with you and jump in here and make sure you guys hit the like button down there. Also, subscribe as well would mean a lot to me. All right, so Telegram set to build crypto exchange in response of the FTX collapse. Now, this new venture seeks to rectify the existing centralization of cryptocurrency entities, a factor he noted. Who is he? Durov is the head of Telegram. He noted that right now, the centralized exchanges have let down millions of users with reference to the FTX exchange collapse. Now, he says Telegram's next step is to build a set of decentralized tools, including non-custodial wallets, decentralized exchanges for millions of people to securely trade and store cryptocurrencies. That's interesting because ClearCryptos is also doing that. They're ahead of the curve here. They're already building an easy way to get into crypto, fiat on-ramp and off-ramp. But he says this way we can fix the wrongs caused by the excessive centralization, which let down hundreds of thousands of cryptocurrency users. So many people damaged and hurt by the FTX scenario. Now, Durov further pointed out that the current blockchain ecosystem has deviated from its founding principle of promoting decentralization, giving people the power. That's what the Telegram founder noted. Due to the concentration of power in a few hands, it's no surprise that the FTX incident occurred. He says the solution's really clear here. Blockchain-based projects should go back to their roots, decentralization. That's why we started this thing in the first place, right? Cryptocurrency users should switch to trustless transactions and self-hosted wallets that don't rely on any single third party added. Take back control of your crypto, not your keys, not your crypto. He also called, Durov did, on blockchain developers to build products that are easy to use for the masses. What's ClearCryptos doing? Building easy tools and projects that are decentralized. Notably, he called out the Ethereum network, suggesting that the platform remains outdated and expensive even after its recent tweaks. He says, indeed, Ethereum has recorded increased network development with the merge upgrade, switching the platform to the proof-of-stake network, but there's still a lot of work to do. So I think this is a good thing on the surface. We'll see exactly what Telegram ends up building, but I think his message here is spot on. And as I mentioned a couple times throughout the video, ClearCryptos sees that as well. We need to make some changes, make it easier for people to come in the decentralized route, make it easy for people to utilize the likes of MetaMask and what have you, and actually control their keys. The reason why so many people use centralized exchanges right now, it's way too easy and convenient. What do we know about consumers and technology? Make it easy, make it convenient. People will use it. Also have a good user interface. Look at Robinhood, look at Coinbase. These are, not terrible platforms, but obviously they have their flaws when it comes to being centralized. If we can model that and build it in a decentralized way, I think that takes cryptocurrency in our industry to the next level. So companies like ClearCryptos is doing that. Telegram looks to be doing that. I think this is going to be a future wave in this regard. More tools, more platforms built in a decentralized manner to give people peace of mind, give them their security back, and give them their crypto back. Let me know what you think about it all down below in the comments section. I appreciate you guys stopping by. We'll see you.